Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the AZTOPA Bluetooth speaker mounting bracket. Designed to work seamlessly with JBL Charge Series speakers whether you're cycling, hitting the golf course, cruising on your boat, or even riding an ATV, this bracket promises to keep your speakers secure and your music flowing. Right out of the box, you'll notice this mount is compact and lightweight, measuring just over 9 inches long, nearly 4 inches wide, and a little over 2 inches tall, and it weighs only 8 ounces. That means it's easy to carry around and won't add unnecessary bulk to your setup. The bracket comes in a sleek black finish and features adjustable straps that allow it to fit a variety of speaker sizes while keeping them stable during movement. Installation is straightforward. The bracket is designed to attach to pipes, handlebars, or railings ranging from about 70 mm to 200 mm in diameter. And it works with both round and square tubing. The straps are quick release, so you can mount or remove your speaker without needing any tools. This makes it versatile for multiple environments, from your bike to your golf cart, boat, scooter, or UTV. What sets this mount apart is its secure hold. The reinforced attachment points ensure that even on bumpy terrain or during high-speed rides, your speaker won't wobble or slip. The flexible design also allows you to adjust the grip according to the speaker size, making it compatible not just with JBL speakers but potentially other brands of similar dimensions. This bracket is all about convenience and reliability. It gives you the freedom to take your music anywhere, from morning rides to weekend adventures, without worrying about your speaker's safety. Whether you want music for a solo ride, a group outing, or even for your boat, this mount makes it effortless to bring your sound along. So that's this Bluetooth speaker mounting bracket. It's versatile, easy to install, and built to securely hold your speaker no matter where life takes you. If you're someone who loves portable speakers and outdoor activities, this bracket is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into the latest gadgets. We'll see you in the next one.